Skills matrix is a critical part of Marlin. What we do is we have in our lunchroom, so everybody can see this, a huge Excel spreadsheet, and every column is every single one of the employees. And every row is every activity at the factory that is productive or that we need accomplished. So for example, setting up the laser. We have a laser in our factory. If you could set up the laser and you know how to do that, you get points for learning that skill. And if you know how to set up the punch, if you know how to set up the robotic wire forming machine, each of these is a different row, and you get points for learning more and more skills. The beauty of the skills matrix is beneficial, not only for the employee, but it's also good for the company Marlin. The reason why it's good for the employee is because they have a clear path to know how to get ahead. It's a clear path. These are the skills that Marlin cares about. And anytime you learn one of these skills, you get paid more. So it's very motivating to employees to get more skills because you get paid more. It's also motivating because your points are literally on the lunchroom wall. So there's a incentive because you want to have a lot of points, okay? Because you have buddies in the company and you want to be one of the more astute people in the company.
So a little healthy competition.
It's a little healthy competition. The nice thing for Marlin is that we could see where our Achilles heel is, because we really want to cross-train everybody in the company. Because we don't want to have everybody know the laser, but nobody knows the wire forming machines. Because our luck, next week we'll get a lot of wire forming work, we won't have any laser work, what are we going to do with our employees? So what happens is by everybody learning these skills and us seeing where our weaknesses are so we can throw more talent to learn those skill sets that we're weak at, what happens is that we're as a company, we're more nimble. Our employees are more valuable because they're adaptable. So if we're buried with sheet metal work and laser work, well then we can pivot people over to that area, and the guys in the wire forming department won't be necessarily working in the wire forming department, they'll be working in the laser cell this week. So the idea is that everybody gets a full paycheck every week. Everybody's more valuable because they could be either a wire form person or a laser person, and it's more engaging as an employee because you're doing different things. You're not doing the same thing every single day.
Okay.
So the skills matrix is intrinsic to our company.